Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to delete profile picture on Plenty of Fish. So, in order to do this, first of all, open the Plenty of Fish application and log in using your user credentials. Now after logging in, you will see this page where you'll have to simply click on your profile icon at the top right side of the screen. Now, it will show up this page. Here, you will see your profile icon appearing at the top on this page. Now, simply click on the profile icon and it will show up this view profile page where you will see your profile picture appearing and your name. Simply click on your profile picture and it will open up your profile picture in full. Now, in order to delete your profile picture, you have this delete option at the left corner of the screen. Click on delete, click on yes, and it will instantly remove that profile picture from Plenty of Fish. Now you can click on it again, choose add photo, then it will open up your gallery where you can choose a new photo and put a new profile picture. So that is how you delete profile picture on Plenty of Fish. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.